The same non-conformity appears every audit, same issue, same department, same corrective action. So the real question is the problem repeating or is the system failing silently? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why non-conformities keep repeating in many ISO certified organizations and what hidden system failure actually causes this. Let's understand this practically. Many organizations experience this. During audit, auditor raises a non-conformity. Corrective action is prepared. Root cause analysis is done. Action plan is submitted. Audit is closed. Everything looks complete. But next audit, the same issue appears again. Sometimes slightly different wording, but the same problem. This is called repeated non-conformity. And a repeated non-conformity is not a small issue. It is a signal that system is not working effectively. ISO does not expect zero problems. Problems are normal, but ISO expects problems should not repeat because corrective action means removing root cause. If issue repeats, root cause was never removed. Only symptoms were treated. Why organizations focus on closure, not correction? Many companies focus on closing non-conformity quickly because audit deadline exits. So, action become documentation based. Forms are filled, evidence is created, but behavior does not change. Systems remain same. This creates temporary compliance, not real improvement. Some hidden failures. Number 1, wrong root cause. Most repeated non-conformities start with weak root cause analysis. Teams write causes like lack of awareness, human error, operator mistake, but these are not root causes. These are symptoms. Real root causes are usually process not clear, training ineffective, responsibility unclear, monitoring missing. When wrong cause is identified, wrong action follows and problem returns. Number 2, action without system change. Corrective action often focuses on fixing one incident. Example, record missing, remind employee. Checklist incomplete, retrain staff. But system itself remains unchanged. ISO expects system correction, not person correction. If system allows error again, repetition is guaranteed. Number 3, no daily management. Corrective actions fail when daily monitoring is absent. Action implemented once but not followed daily. Slowly, people return to old habits. Without daily review, improvements do not sustain. Daily management system ensures action remains active. Number 4, ownership gap. Sometimes corrective action belongs to quality department only, but process owner is not involved. Quality team prepares, response, operations continue same way. Without ownership, corrective action becomes paperwork. Process owner must lead correction. Number 5, fear culture. In some organizations, employees fear non-conformities. So, focus becomes hiding problems instead of solving them. Root causes become superficial. Real issues remain hidden. Improvement stops. Healthy systems treat non-conformity as learning opportunity, not blame opportunity. What auditors understand from repeated ANSYS? When auditors see repeated non-conformities, they conclude corrective action system is ineffective. Management review is weak. Process monitoring is insufficient. Leadership involvement is limited. Repeated NC damages system credibility. Sometimes certification risk also increases. Corrective action is not about closing audit findings. It is about preventing recurrence. A good corrective action answers 3 questions. Why did this happen? Why was it not detected earlier? What system change will prevent recurrence? If these questions are not answered, repetition will occur. Instead of stopping at human error, ask deeper questions. Why error occurred? Why system allowed error? Why control failed? Why monitoring missed it? When questioning continues, real cause appears. Tools like 5i or Fishbone help only when used honestly. Let's discuss about system thinking versus instant thinking. Instant thinking fixes event. System thinking fixes process. Example, calibration missed once. Remind person. This is instant thinking. Calibration missed because reminder system absent. Create tracking system. This is system thinking. ISO expects system thinking. Role of daily management system. Daily management prevents repeated non-conformities because problems are discussed daily. Actions are reviewed daily. Responsibilities are visible. Gaps are detected early. Without daily follow-up, corrective actions fade over time. Role of management review. Management review should analyze trends, not only numbers. Questions leaders should ask. Are same issues repeating? Which processes show recurring gaps? Are corrective actions effective? Management attention drives system maturity. How to prevent repeated non-conformities? Practical steps. Identify real root cause. Change process, not only people. Assign clear owner. Monitor action effectiveness. Review during daily meetings. Verify after implementation. Focus on prevention, not closure. Organizations must shift mindset from audit closer to system improvement, from blame to learning, from reaction to prevention. When culture changes, repeated NCs reduce naturally. A mature organization still has problems, but problems do not repeat. Each issue strengthens system. Each correction improves process. That is continual improvement. Repeated non-conformities indicate hidden system failure because root causes are weak. Actions focus on individuals. Daily monitoring is missing. Ownership unclear. Leadership review limited. Fix the system. Repetition stops. Non-conformity is not the enemy. Repetition is the warning. Every repeated issue is a message from your system. Listen to it, improve it, strengthen it. That is real ISO implementation. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you need support in ISO implementation or corrective action systems, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.